Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 4 types of scribbling strokes that you can use in ballpoint pen drawing, and in the case of pencil drawing as well you can use this type of scribbling. So let's begin. So first here I have the roundish scribbling which I'm going to be showing you. So let's start. So basically this is how you go and create a kind of a consistent look with the roundish scribbling. Now actually what it looks like if I just do it singularly, I'm going to show you now. This is basically just continue with these rounds so you get this. So this way you can create this look. Now we are doing the messy scribbling. Now messy, as the name suggests, it has no particular direction or any kind of a consistency in the look. You can do it in any random direction as you like. So you can do like this, you can do like this, whichever direction, whichever, it doesn't have any kind of shape as such. So in certain drawings you need this type of a look to create some rough textures. So this is what we are doing. You can go in any direction and you can make it as much darker or keep it lighter as you wish, depending on the need of your drawing composition. So these two we have done. Now we come to the third one. This is horizontal oval shaped. So let's start with this also. Now this is something which is kind of an oval. Continuously I'm doing it in the horizontal direction. The next line also I'm doing it. So you can see it has a consistent look, and you can decide upon the length of the oval shape that you want to keep in this type of scribbling. It's all up to your choice as well as up to the need of the composition that you are using the scribbling for. So let's do it once in a single this thing. So this you can see, this I'm doing singularly. So it's basically an oval shape which is going in continuity. So this is what we did with the horizontal oval shaped. Now we come to the vertical. Now again in vertical also you have options. Now you want to do it roundish or you want to do it oval shaped. It all again depends on the if you are doing roundish, so you will do roundish way. Okay, it all depends on the kind of requirement in that particular drawing where you are using this type of scribbling. So the composition basically decides and the kind of look that you're trying to create. This is the roundish one, and then you have horizontal also, sorry, oval shaped also. Again, as these are not very long ovals, very medium shape, you can do it longer also. And you can make it more messy if you want to create that kind of a look. Again, it all depends on your choice as well as the requirement in the drawing. These are only 4 types that I have shown you, but there are many more variations that you can create with scribbling also. So these were the 4 types of scribbling strokes that I keep practicing, and it would be good if you also practice. It will always help you in your drawings where you need to use them. So thanks for watching, and do visit again.